Hello my beautiful people, and welcome to this glueless wig install. In this video I'll be showing you how I install this beautiful wig from the company Unice Hair. The wig arrived already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and it required minimal effort on my part, and I absolutely love the fact that I had to do little to no work on this wig. It's a 7x5 glueless Yaki Straight unit, and it's equipped with multiple clips and an adjustable elastic band to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. We will be installing this wig without the use of glue, a spray. The only liquid products that we'll be using would be some spritz to assist with the lace melting process. I'm not joking. I choose to create a widow peak and pluck the front of the hair a bit more to make an even more realistic look. This step is entirely optional. You don't even need to go through all that if you're not up for it. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. But said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. After all of that, I'll be using an elastic band to help with the melting, and while melting, I will not be straightening the hair. And I have also decided to cut the hair into layers. It was my first time doing layers, and honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. But let me know what you guys think. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I really love the hair quality of this wig. Another time I did some curls on this hair, and the curls last the whole night. I even forgot to put some holding spray, but the curls last. Just for telling you how the heat with this hair won't be an issue at all.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know.
process of installing this wig was truly delightful, as you can tell from my enthusiasm. I highly recommend this hair to anyone seeking for a versatile wig. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know, how did you find this hair? How did you like it on myself? And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.